Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wave Apps invoicing software. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you permanently close your Wave Apps account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to permanently close your Wave Apps account anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know that sometimes new software comes out that's a little bit easier to use. So maybe you want to go ahead and switch over your invoicing. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wave Apps account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wave Apps dashboard, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and permanently close down your Wave Apps account, you want to click on your company name here on the top right. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, but towards the bottom, you're going to see this button here called Profile Settings. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you click there, it's going to show your personal information in Wave Apps. And in order to permanently close down your account, you're going to scroll to the bottom, and then you're going to see this section here called Close Your Account. All right, once you're in that section, it's going to let you know that once you close your account, you will not have access to business accounting or payroll records. Also, if you're using Wave Payroll, your employees will lose access to their pay stub. If you're okay with that and you still want to go ahead and permanently close down your Wave Apps account, click on this Close this Wave account button. I'm not going to do that because I still use this Wave account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to permanently close down your Wave Apps account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.